Anyway, so we're here today
Oh my gosh,
in the after
we
party.
could finally vlog.
The after party
OMG.
of
Let's
Vanessa's
totally
mama's
vlog.
wedding as my aunt.
My mama's
My sis,
anniversary.
my mom's
30 years.
30 years.
3?
I thought it was 35.
No, 30.
I was telling everybody 35.
It was 30.
Well, mostly Johnny. But okay.
Johnny, we were mostly with Johnny. 30 years.
30. The big 3-0.
That's 4.
3-0.
3 like sign language. 30. In sign language.
What is this in sign language? What is this?
I don't know bad words. I didn't learn them in class.
Oh, okay, well, let's go to Vanessa's corner.
In Vanessa's corner.
Hey, y'all.
What do you guys want to talk
White
about?
people stuff, y'all.
White people stuff. Y'all.
Okay, y'all.
Y'all.
I don't like Arizonians. No, I'm just kidding.
Arizonians. Arizonians, you guys need to chillax.
Chillax. Ah! Mosquito!
Skeeter! Because Mexicans, they work. Alright?
She's white and Mexican.
I am white and Mexican.
Yeah, let's look at other Mexicans.
He's black. Oh, wait, you can't see him. But he's a Mexican right there. Mexican. Mexican, not Mexican. She is Mexican. Right here. See these eyebrows? Can't fake that.
Can you see yours? Yours.
Go down. No, don't cover the camera, sweetheart. He's a Mexican.
Because he can't give none.
Those two over there in the camera.
Anyways, back to me.
These two right here. Those two.
Mexicans.
Mexicans. We're Mexican.
One is also white.
One is also light. See your pores. Boo!
So we'll let you guys go.
Dude, for real.
This has been
Start a
a.
vlog.
You should. On my Tumblr. This has been fun.
Oh my gosh. You post and then I'll post on my Tumblr and then we'll post back and forth.